Has the moment finally come when you are ready to put a ring on her finger? Then make it special so you are confident about getting that yes. In this video we have put together 10 genius proposal ideas that will surely get you a yes, but before we get into the list make sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss any of our videos. Number 1. Recreate romantic movie proposal scene. Does your partner love watching rom-coms? Then you should try to recreate one of her favorite movie scenes to get that yes and also make it a memorable moment for her. Whether it's The Notebook, A Walk to Remember or Love Actually, some movies have the best marriage proposal scenes that can make anyone cry. Over the years, writers in some of these movies have created swoon-worthy proposals that are sure to sweep her off her feet. Number 2. Recreate your first date. Remember your first date ever? It is a great reminder of how far you have come in the relationship. Revisiting the restaurant that you had your first date in can be a great way to reminisce about your happy relationship. It's the perfect spot where you can talk about all the wonderful moments you have spent together. And just when the moment is right you can get on one knee to propose. This will surely get you a yes. Number 3. Dreamy holiday proposal. The most popular way to propose is on a holiday. Have you been planning for a quick romantic getaway with your partner? Then this will probably be the best time to put a ring on her finger. A holiday is the perfect time to relax and spend a romantic time with your loved one, and what better way to propose than a beautiful picturesque destination? You can even hire a photographer to capture this beautiful surprise that you have planned for her. Number 4. Proposal surrounded by your loved ones. What's more special than having the people you love around when you are getting engaged to the love of your life? There is something so sentimental and lovely about including your family members or friends on this special occasion. It's a great way to reveal your relationship's big progress to your family and close ones. Get dressed, and have someone cater while you both can exchange rings and formalities with each other's families. Now doesn't that sound homely and romantic? Number 5. Romantic picnic proposal. Do you picture a romantic sweet proposal in the garden surrounded by greenery and a picturesque backdrop? Then this one will be the perfect moment for you to pop the question. Set up a cozy picnic spot with a blanket, fresh flowers and a bottle of champagne to celebrate this moment. Enjoy your favorite home-cooked food and drinks together, under the blue sky, and in the perfect moment pop the question and you are sure to hear a yes. Number 6. Surprise proposal in a public location. Are you one who loves big gestures? Then this next one's for you. Whether it's in front of a monument or the hotel rooftop or in the middle of the street, choose a place that is special to you both and holds a significance in your life. You can even hire a photographer to hide in the crowd to capture cute candid moments of the proposal and her reaction. It will surely be a memorable proposal story that everyone will remember. If you want to make it even more special you can have someone perform a musical number while you get on your knees. Number 7. Candlelight dinner. If a public space bold proposal is not your thing, then this next one is an intimate proposal that you might like. A candlelight dinner is a classic in the book, but never gets old. Book a table for 2 in a luxurious hotel, order her favorite food, and drop the ring in the champagne. It will be a classy intimate proposal. You can have the hotel staff help arrange for this too. Be it flowers, a private musical performance, or bringing her the glass of champagne with the ring. It will feel straight out of a movie and she won't be able to resist saying yes. Number 8. Romantic proposal at home. Talking about intimate proposal ideas, this one probably tops the list. Decorate a corner at your home or rooftop with flowers and candles. Get her a beautiful dress and strategically place it on her bed with a secret note hinting at her. Then when she walks out wearing the dress, she will see you with flowers and a ring. And when the moment is right, get on your knees and pop the question. Number 9. Amusement park proposal. Do you both love doing fun activities together? Then take her to an amusement park, and pop the question when you are both having the time of your lives. You can plan a whole day at the amusement park, with a full entry to all her favorite rides and a Ferris wheel where you can pop the question with the beautiful view on top. The adrenaline rush and excitement is the perfect moment to plan a romantic proposal. K-dramas are popular for romantic amusement park dates. For reference, check our previous video where we have listed a few best places to recreate romantic K-drama scenes. Number 10. Surprise Valentine's Day proposal. Valentine's Day proposals are known to go both ways, but if you are confident about your relationship, then you have nothing to worry about. Just plan it like every other Valentine's Day date: flowers, chocolates, sweet notes, but the surprise would be the ring among all. She will never suspect that your Valentine's Day date would turn into her dream proposal. And if you play your cards right, then you're sure to get a yes. That was our list of 10 romantic genius proposal ideas that will sweep your partner off her feet and get you that yes. But always remember, no matter which idea you choose to go for, it is the big romantic gesture that matters. If your heart is true, nothing can stop her from saying that yes. And if you agree to, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be notified every time we share a new video.